Since 1932, Boehlerit has stood for high-quality carbide products. Today, our solutions for turning, milling, drilling, and forming ensure maximum efficiency and process reliability worldwide. Boehlerit is a pioneer in carbide manufacturing with a 92-year history and a globally leading producer of machining tools and wear protection solutions. As part of the Boehlerit Group, alongside Lights and Bills as independent sister companies, we are a global player. At our Kapfenberg site, we provide the complete production process under one roof, from powder production to coating. This is where cutting materials, semi-finished products, precision tools, and complete tool systems are created. We fundamentally possess all the in-house manufacturing expertise required for carbide and the products made from it. It starts with raw material procurement, followed by granulate and substrate production, various forming processes, and diverse wear protection and machining techniques, all the way to finishing, coating, and the final product. Our high-end carbide production is built on decades of experience and continuous innovation. One of the most advanced powder production facilities in the carbide industry delivers top quality and maximum flexibility. The result is a wide variety of grades, perfectly tailored to meet our customers' needs. Our automated pressing cells, state-of-the-art mono presses, and a piston extrusion press enable precise and resource-efficient production of indexable inserts, semi-finished products, as well as complex profiles and rods. Boehlerit is one of the leading manufacturers in the carbide industry, producing 20,000 different carbide components annually with one of the most versatile forming processes. Process-optimized sintering methods and over 150 granulate variants ensure maximum flexibility. Cutting-edge pressure sintering and vacuum sintering systems provide high production capacities. Our state-of-the-art machinery enables all the necessary processing steps to refine our products. Precision at the micrometer level is our standard. Boehlerit continually invests in coating technology, one of our core competencies. With the latest high-PIMS PVD coating system and an innovative expansion of our CVD system portfolio, we are setting new benchmarks. Our customers and industries are highly diverse, as are the products we manufacture. The needs of our customers are at the heart of our development. We offer solutions that guarantee maximum efficiency and productivity advantages, because carbide is our passion.